Introduction. In today's overwhelmed world, productivity often feels like a trap. Free to Focus by Michael Hyatt presents a bold idea. Productivity isn't about doing more, it's about doing less but better. The goal is to achieve more freedom. The freedom to focus, to be present, to choose, and to succeed. Through his three-part system, Stop, Cut, and Act, Hyatt walks us through a proven plan to escape the busyness and reclaim intentional living. Let's dive chapter by chapter and unpack the powerful lessons. Part 1. Stop, reclaim your vision. Chapter 1. Formulate your productivity philosophy. Michael Hyatt begins by redefining productivity. It's not about squeezing more into your day. It's about making space for what truly matters. Productivity should serve our lives, not consume them. He urges readers to set a new intention, not just to do more, but to be free. This shift in mindset lays the foundation for everything else. Lesson. Redefine productivity as a pathway to freedom, not pressure. Chapter 2. Evaluate your current position before you can improve your productivity. You need clarity. Hyatt introduces the Freedom Compass, a 4-quadrant tool that helps evaluate tasks based on passion and proficiency. The goal is to operate more in your desire zone, where you love what you do and do it well, and spend less time in the distraction, disinterest and drudgery zones. Lesson. Focus on your desire zone for meaningful, high-impact work. Part 2. Cut. Eliminate the non-essentials. Chapter 3. Eliminate. The secret to focus is elimination. Hyatt encourages us to prune tasks, meetings, and obligations that don't align with our goals. Say no more often and stop confusing activity with productivity. This chapter emphasizes that we cannot say yes to everything and still focus on what matters. Lesson. Saying no is not selfish, it's essential for focus. Chapter 4. Automate. Automation frees up mental bandwidth. Whether it's bill payments, email templates, or scheduling software, putting repetitive tasks on autopilot can save enormous time. Hyatt views automation as a form of delegation to technology. Lesson. Automate anything that doesn't require your unique touch. Chapter 5. Delegation is not abdication. Many high achievers struggle to let go, but Hyatt insists that empowering others is key to scaling your focus. Use the 5 levels of delegation framework to assign tasks effectively and confidently. Lesson. Focus on what only you can do, delegate the rest. Part 3. Act. Execute with confidence. Chapter 6. Consolidate. Multitasking is a myth. Hyatt recommends batching similar tasks and creating time blocks for deep, focused work. Meetings, emails, and admin work should be grouped together so that your energy is preserved for high-leverage activities. Lesson. Structure your schedule to create large blocks of uninterrupted time. Chapter 7. Design your ideal week. Planning your week in advance empowers you to lead it instead of reacting to it. Hyatt introduces the concept of the ideal week, a template that aligns your weekly schedule with your priorities. This includes time for deep work, rest, family, and goals. Lesson. A well-planned week protects your energy and maximizes your output. Chapter 8. Set daily big 3. Every day. Identify your daily big 3, the top 3 priorities that must get done. This keeps your to-do list focused and achievable. The daily big 3 creates a rhythm of daily wins and eliminates decision fatigue. Lesson. Clarity and focus come from limiting your daily tasks. Chapter 9. Beat the distractions. We live in an age of interruptions. Hyatt suggests using tools like turning off notifications, working in quiet spaces, and setting clear boundaries with others to protect your focus. He emphasizes the value of digital minimalism. Lesson. Guard your attention like a precious resource. Chapter 10. Leverage. The power of rituals. Morning and evening rituals anchor your day. Hyatt encourages using routines to jumpstart your energy, center your mind, and close your day peacefully. These small but powerful rituals increase consistency and control. Lesson. Rituals create momentum and remove resistance from key habits. Final chapter. Live the freedom you created. Hyatt wraps up the book by reminding us that productivity is not the goal. Freedom is. Whether it's more time for your family, creative pursuits, spiritual growth, or business success, this framework is meant to serve your life, not dominate it. When you're free to focus, you're free to thrive. Lesson. Let your productivity serve your purpose, not the other way around. Conclusion. Free to Focus is more than a productivity book. It's a guide to designing a life of intention. By stopping to redefine what matters, cutting the excess and acting with clarity, you'll experience true productivity, freedom to do your best work, live meaningfully and flourish. In the end, less really is more when it's focused.